Hi, welcome to Leticia's Diner, where we offer an affordable fine dining experience. My name is Chef Hinojosa. Let's get started.
Topics that will be covered in this training video. First, it's what is a 3-compartment sink, how to set up, and different layouts of a 3-compartment sink. So what is a 3-compartment sink? A 3-compartment sink is what the name implies, a sink that has 3 compartments. At home, you might have a compartment sink that has only 2 sections. It has one section to wash your dishes and one section to rinse them, and sometimes it might even include a rinser system like the one shown in the picture. A 3-compartment sink, as shown in the picture above, has 3 sections. Each section requires different chemicals and solutions in order to make the dishwashing process work. The difference between the sink that you have at your house and a 3-compartment sink is that 3-compartment sink is probably 5 times bigger. So what are the different sections in the 3-compartment sink? The first compartment is the wash station. It is composed of hot water and detergent or dish soap. The middle section is the rinse section. It is pure water with no added chemicals and temperature no lower than 110 degrees Fahrenheit. The last section consists of a sanitizing solution. The solution can be made with chlorine or iodine. There are different water to chemical ratios since each chemical has different strengths. The easiest to remember is chlorine. The ratio for chlorine is 1 tablespoon of chlorine to 1 gallon of water. If the solution has too much chlorine, it can hurt our customers. But if the solution doesn't have enough chemicals, then it renders it pointless. So what is the process of washing dishes in a 3-compartment sink? In the simplest form, it is wash, rinse, sanitize, and air dry. However, there are more steps that can be added to make this process run more smoothly. Similar to the rinse station that might be in a household, kitchens have an industrial rinsing system, but it is stronger than a household rinser. The steps to washing dishes is as follows. Scrape the dishes of any leftover food into the trash. Rinse the dishes with the rinser to get as much food off the dishes with water as hot as your hands can handle. Wash dishes squeaky clean in the first compartment. Moving on to the middle compartment, rinse the soap with only water. And in the last compartment, completely submerge the items in the sanitizer solution for at least 15 seconds. Air dry the dishes. It is important to let the dishes air dry. You do not want to use a rag to dry them because a damp towel may house unwanted bacteria. Lastly, store the dry dishes in their respective spot. The last thing I want to talk about is that there are different companies that offer services to make setting up a 3-compartment sink easier. As shown in the picture, the chemicals are placed above their respective spots. Those chemicals are already calibrated to dispense the correct amount of sanitizer and detergent to the size of the compartment sink by the press of just 1 finger. This minimizes the time you might have to measure out the chlorine solution to put in your sanitizing station.
Okay, to recap, so a 3-compartment sink has, as the name implies, 3 compartments. Each compartment has different types of solutions in it. The first compartment has hot water with dish soap. The second one has absolutely no chemicals with just warm water. The third one has a sanitizing solution, which includes iodine or bleach. The sanitizing solution for bleach, which you might have at your house, is 1 tablespoon of bleach and 1 gallon of water. Remember, there are different steps and layouts for each kitchen, but the basic form is wash, rinse, and sanitize. There are some kitchens that have rinsers. There are some kitchens that have installed dishwashers. Remember to follow the steps when washing dishes. Scrape the food, rinse, wash, sanitize, rinse and sanitize, and then air dry. Remember, air drying is very important because we don't want to house any bacteria on our just washed dishes. Store the dishes away in their respective area. Thanks for watching that. This concludes the training video. My name is Chef Hinojosa, and see you later.